happens at a TeenTech Festival? Come inside, take a look, and let's start by meeting our festival partner for Sussex, Lisa Mobbs.
We're here today with 26 of our schools across West Sussex and Brighton for our second year of TeenTech Sussex. It's an amazing day. The students absolutely love it, as do the exhibitors. We love to work with TeenTech. They're a fantastic organisation to work with. They do all of the work. They do all of this. They pull it all together on the day, and they just pull that rabbit out of the hat flawlessly. They're an amazing company to partner with.
London Gatwick is delighted to be a lead sponsor here at the TeenTech Festival. Skills in STEM are absolutely critical to aviation and indeed nationally, and therefore we want to inspire innovators of the future to come and explore the range of careers that are on offer. TeenTech really gives every student the opportunity to get hands-on and involved in a range of skills and avenues that they would never have even considered, and that is really inspiring for those students.
Well, this event is excellent in terms of giving young people the opportunity to explore their career choices, but to do it at the age of 13 to 14 enables them to make more informed choices. And it's great today to see the businesses as well as the further education providers and the higher education providers here all participating in showing those opportunities for our young people.
TeenTech stands out because it's very structured and the students have opportunities to get involved with the challenge zone, the innovation area, and it's all interactive, so they get the opportunity to actually have a go at things, which makes it very different to any other event.
I think it's really good, and we've been able to work with people that we normally wouldn't, and then we've been able to explore like new innovative ideas.
What I've seen is amazing. This TeenTech event, bringing schools from all around Sussex, has been astronomical. It's been a great opportunity to have the students experiencing something for themselves.
If any other area or local authority is considering a TeenTech Festival, I would say absolutely go for it. The collaboration with the TeenTech team and the companies and businesses that represent on the day is phenomenal, and what the students get out of it is amazing experience.
I would encourage any company to get involved with this fantastic festival. It really does open the students' eyes to roles that they will never have even considered. And for us, it really does give students a much broader understanding of the range of career opportunities available.